Everyone saying.
But you ever me Inus Adams.
Inusa every hin and position ben na Inusa bo.
Me free Boligatanga, but you will me Kumasi. Like I'm fine say my bomb brain now Kumasi. Minini wo Kumasi.
And I say hin fun otina.
Me Santasi Kuchi. Me ball right wing, me position here right wing. Meet my ball as an attacking midfielder. So. But time I'm wafande na me ball as left back.
O team no career na start free hina akọ.
Me started free Homeboys United Bufood. Now every year be ani ekobo tournament wo Accra into enu na wafa edi home almost scout back ba no omudi home ti from Homeboys na me call wafa no ti wafa me call di be getting to 8 years and nya akonya 2 kwan ko Portugal no so me ko di 2 years wo Portugal and me sa back and me ko bo Kotoku Royals for I think second round and me call Oku United and so me bo 1.5 season and Nyankopon adom ma we pie team kese Robia Asante Kotoko.
For how long Anna we're trying for some opportunity to be here to represent Asante Kotoko?
Opportunity we there ma try che and Nyankopon adom aba ti mega say me de Nyankopon ase.
Take us through the number of times also I change. Well, say now I can't watch na just what to one na more na
what for time omoba wonom no ye bowie na mete like mete say omo hia me by that time no na me so anti what for na ba na me eager say me ba but what for na mama amba I'm say because of me young ti and ogum time so doctor the times me be trials and also me buy amfa and I'm a and I'm a saba this time the Nyankopon ayadom
nyame ayadom mean responsibility na yakese expectation no so ade na ade ba Asante Kotoko fans ntia omunya rehemu say wo di bibi so ko eba de bia na obema mwanya something to cheer
opportunity we amanya no minim say so pa nti de me wo no the meet say me supporters no any age because the way I'm see bobo no me a very skillful pa and I'm the goals so back home and team we ubo trophies no so me work hard say my team no me work hard say trophies de meji biama team we ansana se me free ha nanko ma do mama free ha
Oben team like Accra so na okay why trust e na we team ni mo inspire na motivate you mo say o say me ye bibi so nko na me so me ja bibi to
team we fit me nkra bempa na de bia me ka say one day me bo Kotoko oma me namfo mo nim nyina nim say my dream ya che say team we me bo me kai say me hwe a match back omni house no I think say last year last week I know our president captains I know Amidu ne shego any Elvis Awuchi some match me share match ni we na me kai say team we there the way team ni sit and o say one day me bo my team we nti maba na ya konya kese say me be work hard mema supporters na ni age and na me determination am the about team win.
Adams, you better ask any we show the very best. I was Asante Kotoko.
Me da mas.